Hello FlutterFlow developers, hello friends, welcome to APIXFlow YouTube channel. My name is Andrei and today we will talk about very nice feature and very long awaited for all creators who work with FlutterFlow and APIXFlow and who actually generate PDFs. So for a long time we were asked, feedback was, guys, you are creating very cool integration service and very cool PDF generation features available in APIXFlow, but we miss very much ability to add headers and footers per page to generated documents. So this was very awaited feature, one of the top voted into our requested features, and actually it's finally here. So today we will check, this demo will be dedicated to this feature and how we can add headers, footers to PDF documents. I will use some predefined preset. I will use this business contract template. So I will use it, and now I have this template loaded, and as you can see here we have some nice formatted document, and we have some data model with some predefined values, and now we can see how it look like. So we can generate preview. As you can see, it generates some nice looking preview for business contract. So our goal is to actually add some header and footer to that document. So let's have in our header, for example, we want to have company name here, maybe even first it will be contract number, some contract number by company name, and this will be our header. Let's check how it will look like. As you can see, it rendered here. It will be rendered on every page. We have only one page, but it will be rendered on every page where we will select it. And we need to fix some, let's say, format of our font face. We can select it here. And next is footer. In footer, let's add like signed by company name and some contractor, and for example we want to add current date time, so we will go to functions and we'll use, for example, this today timestamp, and we'll save this. We'll click preview and we'll see our footer value. Again, if you need to extend this footer, you can add additional lines, you can extend it, and you can change format here, you can change size of the fonts and etc. Everything works same as other PDF features we have for generic internal template, so you can format it in every required way. You can also change, for example, alignment, and it will work as well perfectly. Here you can see it's now aligned to that right side. So you can have it in every required way you need, and yeah, it will work for your PDF template as well. So next step is actually how to integrate this into our FlutterFlow application. So you need to publish your project in APIXFlow, and you will receive very simple way to integrate. We have two options: to API group or custom action. In this sample, in this demo, I will use API group way. So I just download API definition, you can see here, and I will copy this authorization header. Next, I will go to API call section. We'll import Open API definition. Here we have this Open API definition. We'll add a new header for authorization because application requires this key to be included to secure access to your API Xflow application. And now we have this generate PDF action. So if we will go here, we have this all the variables we have to generate our PDF. And also we want to introduce result. So our result will be named PDF asset, and we will introduce it as data type. So we'll go to data types, create data type from JSON, we'll name it PDF asset, we'll paste JSON here, create, and as you can see, it created all the required fields for result. You can, for example, remove some, you can remove if you don't want to have those additional fields parsed. If you want only link, for example, and ID, it's okay. Go back to our API call, and we want to parse our response as PDF asset. And don't forget to save it. So now we will go to our page. We have here our page, new contract page, and we will use that submit on top action. I will remove existing action. I will add a new action. On top, I will do API call. So I have this API call action, and here I will select my group, generate PDF, and we'll set additional variables. So first of all, contract number, let's set it some, for example, current date time. We will use date time to Unix timestamp, for example, just Unix timestamp seconds. We will have some random, no, not random, but number of current seconds in Unix timestamp. Company name, I will set some predefined value. I will set also some company address, nice city, happy street 1, 2. And for example, contractor will be taken from our fields. We have our widget state, full name, and then we want to set address of contractor. It will be set from widget state address. So we will have this, and then we have PDF result as our named output. And when it's successful, what we want to do, so actually what I did, I already created app state variable called PDF link. I filled some default value here. Why? Because I want to show preview here when I redirect to that page. So I want, when my form is submitted and everything is successful, to update that field, update app state. I will select PDF link, and I will set value from action output, PDF result, as data type, data structure field, link, confirm. And then I want to add action and redirect build page, navigate, go to, I assume, or navigate back, navigate to preview PDF. This will be our actions. Close, and my application is ready. We parsed our API result, we set our initial parameters for API, we parsed API result, we assigned it to app state variable, and now we redirect to a page to preview our PDF. Let's try it. So my application loaded and now we can try it. I will enter my name, some good day city, nice street 3, and we have all the values in our, as you can see, in our debug panel, thanks to FlutterFlow team for it. And actually we have video about that panel, a little bit explaining how it works when it was announced, and many useful FlutterFlow videos in our channel. So subscribe if you're interested in FlutterFlow videos, APX Flow videos about different stuff, how to work with data, how to optimize your API calls. I also recommend that video, how to optimize your data queries, for example. So subscribe, like videos, comment, ask questions, and suggest some videos to be recorded. We have new cool features and new videos incoming. So as you can see, now I have my PDF contract generated, and as you can see, we have here our header and footer in our document. So it's pretty simple, pretty fast. I built this application in 10 minutes, and I hope this will be useful for you. Like this video if you like it. Please ask your question, suggest new topics, and thank you for your attention, and I wish you a great day.